Welcome to my brand new education channel Spoken English Pathshala. My coaching class will teach you step-by-step courses, quick, effective scientific learning technique to give you the most effective result. Here we teach you how to improve your English and how to speak better English, provide you growth and enhance your skill. You will have a great learning experience under my supervision. My ultimate goal is to reach your potential. The course is available online and as well as offline. Hi, my name is HemantM. I am a faculty trainer coach of a Spoken English Pathshala. I have done my school at Carmel Convent and studied at University of Madras. Did my graduation in 97 and finished my MBA in 2000. I am a certified equity research analyst from NISM, which comes under SEBI. I have written many articles on Indian economy and written many equity research analysis report for capital market for HNI clients. So join me to learn more how to empower yourself, to influence and persuade others. The purpose of this course is to synchronize education fitness with human excellence, to provide self-development and creativity in a stress-free atmosphere, and to emphasize on providing sophisticated learning environment. Our course is designed for students to improve their English speaking skill. So join the course and change your life. Point to be covered during your classes. Frame grammatically correct sentence in English. Can speak English fluency in any situation. Conjunction and tenses. Express yourself in a group of people more confidently. Able to present your thought more effectively. Present yourself more confidently in a personal interview. Speak in a natural accent more fluently. Practice in high level of group discussion. Widen and strengthen your vocabulary. Improve your pronunciation and intonation. Regular practice and perseverance eventually can speak English fluently. Talking practice and improve your fluency and accuracy. Word building and make sentence formation. Read, write, listen and deliver the word. That is the USP about English learning. I know that teaching you to be a good communicator, I need to start from the scratch. It's my regular practice. You need to be disciplined and change your mindset. Learn to speak English well may be the best thing you can do to improve your life. English is an universal language. The world has changed, and if you want to connect to the world, you have to learn English language. For example, if you are a school or a college going student, you need to learn English language for your bright future. If you are a professional or office going person, you need to learn English for the benefit of your career. No matter who you are, learning English is more important. The goal is to create a society where English can be harnessed by each and every individual to increase their potential to success in their personal or professional life. English is difficult, but if you put your mind to it, it is possible. Learning the English language, it's a process. It's required time, energy, willingness, patience, persistence, and moreover, it's required lots of willpower. It's not an overnight job. If you are joining my Spoken English Pathshala, when you are about to get completed, you'll be getting an opportunity to talk to my colleague, is a professor in America, to test your English fluency. If you think my little knowledge can make you a healthy communicator, then do call me. And if you like my video, put your like button and do subscribe it. Thanks.